pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, hold it towards you. Remove your face mask and put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for the outfit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you're advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit sign found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exits may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a flight rack. In any eventuality, guests must take their bags and immediately proceed to the useful exit. There are also a fire extinguisher in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off, so please